Hello dear children, welcome to today's EVS class. Dear children, first of all, once again we glance about what we learned in the previous class. Okay. Dear children, in the previous class we already started the topic places in the neighborhood. Places in the neighborhood, isn't it? In this topic we learned about meaning of neighborhood. Meaning of neighborhood. And meaning of neighbors also, isn't it? What is neighborhood? Any area around our house is known as neighborhood. Isn't it, children? Any area around or near our house is known as our neighborhood. Then, what is neighbors, children? The people who live in our neighborhood is known as our neighbors. The people who live around our house is known as our neighbors. Isn't it, children? And we already learned neighborhood places. This neighborhood places also called public places. Isn't it, children? This neighborhood places also called public places, because these neighborhood places open and accessible to everyone, open and accessible to public people. So this is also called neighborhood places, also called public places, isn't it? We already learned two public places, school and market. School and market, isn't it, children? What is school? You know it. Children go to study and learn in this school, isn't it? What is market? Market is that place. There are so many shops in the markets. It is very busy place. We can buy our daily needed products from the market. Daily needed products are available in the market, isn't it, children? Okay, children. Today we are going to learn about some more public places or some more neighborhood places. Let me start, children. Okay. First we go to hospital. Hospital. There are hospitals and clinics in the neighborhood. There are doctors and nurses in a hospital to look after sick people. A hospital also has an ambulance to bring patient to the hospital. The children, you are all know about hospitals. When we feel unwell, we go to hospital. The people fall sick. The people get injuries. They go to hospitals. Dear children, some hospitals are big and some hospitals are small. Small hospitals is called clinic or dispensary. Got it? Small hospitals are called clinic or dispensary. A big hospital has so many doctors, nurse and other staff members are work in the hospitals. Doctor give the treatment to the sick people. Nurse take care of the patient. The children, every hospital has their own ambulance. This ambulance bring the patient to the hospital. The people who have serious health problem or people who have serious injuries, then this ambulance bring the patient to the hospitals. Some hospital has their own medical shop. This is also called chemist shop. The medicine prescribed by the doctors is available in that medical shop. We can buy the medicine from the medical shop. This is about hospital. Got it, children? Next we go to post office. post office. We buy envelopes, stamps and postcards from the post office. We can send letters by dropping them in the post box. A postman delivers the letters to us. The children, we can buy the postcard, stamps, envelopes, inland letters in the post office. We can also send the money from one place to another by money order through the post office. And we can send the parcels, registered post and telegrams through the post office to our relatives and our friends. Got it, children? Every post office has a post box. We can put the letter in the post box. Postman collect the letter from the post box and sat out in the post office and delivered to the return address. See here, children. This is post office. This is post box. I hope you know the post box. Isn't it, children? We can also deposit the money in the post office like a bank. Got it, children? This is about post office. Next we go to police station. Police station. P-O-L-I-C-E. Police station. The children, a police station is a local office of the police. A police station is the local office of the police. The police keep us and our neighborhood safe. The children, police help the people, those who are in the trouble. Police help the people, those who are in trouble. They keep us and our neighborhood safe. The police people keep us and our neighborhood safe. They give protection to us. Police people give protection. Got it, children? Police catch the thieves and robbers. Police catch the thieves and robbers. This police people help us to maintain law and order. Police people help us to maintain law and order. Got it, children? They work from busy places, market and bus stop, some other places they work. Some police officers, some police people control the traffic. Traffic police. We called as traffic police. This is about police station. Next we go to park. Park are open green space in the neighborhood where children play and elders walk to relax. The gardener takes care of the plants in the park. Dear children, you are already know about park. You are all know it, isn't it? The park is an open green place. If we have park in our neighborhoods, it looks very pretty, isn't it? In the park, there are so many plants and trees. We never pluck the leaves and flowers from the trees and plants in the park. Got it, children? Children go to park to play. There are so many outdoor games like swings, slides, seesaw, etc. Isn't it? People go to park to walk and do exercise. Walk and do exercise. It gives relax. Park is that place. It gives us relax. Isn't it, children? Okay. Next we go to bank. Bank. There are banks in the neighborhood where we deposit our money. It keeps our money and jewelry safe. We can withdraw our money when we need it. Dear children, the banks keep our money and jewelry safe. We can deposit our money in the bank. Isn't it? We can deposit our money in the bank. We can withdraw our money whenever we have need. It keeps our money and jewelry safe. Got it? Okay, children. This is enough for today. I will continue it next class. Okay.